Work hard, harder than anyone else, earlier than anyone else, later than anyone else, tirelessly. Seek out opportunities to take on more. Volunteer for projects. Help others with their workload. Fill in whenever you can. This is how you create cheerleaders. Cheerleaders that will go to bat for you when you need it most. People who will create buzz and hype around the organization. When promotions and raises are discussed, input is gathered from other employees, from customers, from vendors. Treat everyone that you come across as an opportunity, an investment. As we wrap up this series, this is the capstone. This is the icing on the cake. Leaders of the future. Everything we've talked about to this point leads to this. Being unique, sacrificing. No, you won't have as much time for video games. You won't have as much time for parties. Forget about the television shows, the movies, and the other media you consume. Especially if you are young, those things will always be there. In contrast, your youth, your health, your time, that will not always be there. And yes, you will lose friends. You very well might lose a significant other or relationship opportunities. But only for now. These other people want you broke, like them, where they are in massive debt. You, on the other hand, you won't have time to spend money. You'll be saving. You'll be making major investments into your future. And, most importantly, the high-value people you come into contact with will take notice. They are the ones to impress. And they are only impressed with input and results. Once they spot you, it changes everything. You'll leave the group of the low-value maintainers and failures. You'll join the group of current and future leaders. And if you do find free time, what then? Spend that time developing yourself somehow. Work out. Learn an instrument. Take free online courses to learn how to program, such as what's offered at Free Code Camp. Be the one who is creating the content, who is producing the media, feeding the masses, and so on. This is infinitely more satisfying and gratifying. Long-term gains in exchange for short-term sacrifices. Do whatever you must to escape the noise. Shut down your social media accounts. Block phone numbers. Go into social seclusion if you have to, in order to escape the expected mountain of peer pressure coming your way. Pressure to conform. Pressure to stay broke. And one of the pathetic masses going nowhere. Although this advice is highly unpopular, I hope you find it fresh and freeing. The only thing I ask in return is if you could like and subscribe to my channel. If there is anyone you can share this with, then please do so. This information is a result of decades of research and real-life experiences. I've been on all sides of these things. I've been the fool chasing all the shiny objects. I've been at the doorstep of change and feeling the weight, the pressure to turn back. I've lost friends and other relationships. But most importantly, I've come through to the other side, and now I am a successful leader. I'm passionate about sharing the things I've gone through and had to find out the hard way. I'm hopeful that you do not have to learn the hard way yourself.